Our top story today, chaos reigned at the flat bridge in Bogwalk Gorge today as the authorities restocked the dying fish population in the Rio Cobre.
Now, the prying eyes of motorists and the absence of the police led to a gridlock near the bridge.
As Kalisha Williams reports, while the residents are happy that the fish stock is being replenished, they describe the process as poorly planned.
Plagued by pollution for years, the fish stock here has been dying. On Friday, the authorities finally started to breathe life back into the Rio Cobre.
I'm delighted. My joy is overflowing because of a fact I might eat chicken back and ackee for this Christmas. But what I'm seeing here, I'll be having my fish for next year Christmas for dinner.
What actually originally exists here, what they call black perch, is tilapia. And what we have restocked in the river today is also tilapia.
But while the fish stock was being restored below the flat bridge, above things went south. Motorists traveling along the bridge were desperate to see why so many people had converged in the area. However, instead of satisfying their curiosity, they ended up being a part of the problem. For minutes, vehicles were at a standstill. In fact, the media had to call the police to get things under control.
They did not notify the police so that the police could have been here to direct traffic and to prevent the type of dangerous chaos that existed on the bridge this morning.
Residents too were concerned that the communication between the agencies and community members has been poor.
That tend to upset me a bit because I woke up this morning, I just get a call, oh, they're putting in the fishes in the water and all of that. And I was like, we got no information, no clue, we didn't know what was going on.
The initiative is being led by Windalco, who was fingered as the main source of the pollution in the river and was ordered by the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, to restore the fish population. We asked Windalco why the initiative was not better organized and why they started at the flat bridge, which is prone for chaos.
We relied on the experts. So we have from the Fisheries Division and also another expert outside the Fisheries Division. Now, this is not the only location where restocking will be done. We're going to be doing also upstream. So all in all, you'll have a very wide coverage of the entire Rio Cobre from the flat bridge going up.
And note, Friday's activity came 24 hours after TVJ News reported that the agency had missed several deadlines to restock the river.
We had asked that the activity commenced as early as January. However, there were some other issues that need to be resolved, such as to do an assessment of the current fish population, identify the type of fishes to be released, and subsequently all of that has been done.
So while there are no signs of life in the river, it will take some time before the fish stock is restored to its former glory. And until then, persons are being urged not to fish from the river.
Community education is very important. The community needs to know when is the appropriate time to start fishing. They need to erect signs along the Rio Cobre to inform the public to stay out from the river.
We were told these fish should mature within the next 6 to 8 months. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.